Name's James Fisher. I'm the instructor for pipe at PTTI. This is called the RIDGID 300 thread machine. It does three functions. It cuts, it reams, and it threads. This is our line to cut. Set this up. Foot pedal for safety so nobody steps on it. And that part's done. Raise that up, and we got our reamer here. Then you're ready for the threading part. You want plenty of oil? I'll take it out. 3.5 turns is a good thread. They usually use this for mostly sprinkler systems. The students did these just to get them the practice of threading and taking measurements. We will be taking it down so the next class can do the same thing.